As a preschool teacher, you know how important it is to involve parents in their child's education. But it can be challenging to come up with new and exciting ways to do so. In this video, we'll share 5 creative ways to involve parents in your preschool and make them an active part of their child's learning journey. Hello and welcome to our video on 5 creative ways to involve parents in your preschool. As teachers, we know how important it is to have parents involved in their child's education. So let's get started with some ideas. Number 1, Parent-Teacher Conferences. Parent-teacher conferences are a great way to involve parents in their child's education. You can use this time to share progress reports, discuss any concerns, and answer any questions parents may have. This can be done in person or virtually. Number 2, Parent Volunteers. Another great way to involve parents in your preschool is by having them volunteer in the classroom. They can assist with projects, read stories, or even bring in a special snack. This not only benefits the classroom but also strengthens the parent-teacher relationship. Number 3, Parent-Child Activities. Hosting parent-child activities is a fun way to involve parents in their child's education. You can plan events such as a family picnic, a nature walk, or a game day. This allows parents to see firsthand what their child is learning and how they are progressing. Number 4, Parent Workshops. Hosting parent workshops is another great way to involve parents in your preschool. You can host workshops on topics such as early literacy, child development, or even healthy eating. This not only provides parents with valuable information but also shows them that you are invested in their child's education. Number 5, Parent Communication. Last but not least, effective communication with parents is crucial in involving them in their child's education. You can use communication tools such as newsletters, emails, or social media to keep parents informed about what's happening in the classroom. This way, parents can stay involved even when they can't physically be there. So there you have it, 5 creative ways to involve parents in your preschool. Remember, involving parents in their child's education is not only beneficial for the child but also strengthens the parent-teacher relationship. Follow us for more ideas and increase growth of your preschool. Visit our website www.mykidreports.com.